Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding Veda IIT. This is official website. So here we have two courses which are offered by the Veda IIT. So one is the diploma program, another one is engineering trainee related recruitment. Right. First one, Veda IIT invites application for industry ready diploma programs in VLSI engineering and embedded systems design. Right. 3rd July is the last date for this program. Preliminary test on 10th July 2021. This is first program, diploma program, and the second one is engineering trainees. Veda IIT invites applications for Soctronics engineer trainees recruitment, and for this last date is 3rd July and preliminary test on 10th July 2020. Right. So this is engineer trainees recruitment. First we will look into this diploma program, industry ready diploma programs in VLSI engineering and embedded system design. So here diploma programs which are offered in various streams like VLSI digital engineering. Under this we have two types of diploma program: logic design verification and implementation, physical design and physical verification. And when it comes to this VLSI analog stream, so in this we have two types of programs: analog design and custom layout design. When it comes to this embedded system design, embedded software development, software testing and application software development. Okay, so for all these programs the eligibility is BTech, MTech, MSc in electronics, electrical for digital engineering and analog engineering. And final year students can also apply provided they can attend full-time training program. Okay, so even final year students are also eligible for this program. And 6 months full-time intensive and industry oriented training. Course fee depends on the course, and Veda IIT will facilitate guide placement in the associated and other companies for candidates successful in the program. Registration fee 500 rupees. Last date for online application is 3rd July 2021. If you want to pursue this diploma programs in this organization, you can go through complete details and terms and conditions. Then only you can take the decision. This is about diploma program. And when it comes to this Soctronics engineer training, so this is engineer trainee recruitment in collaboration with Veda IIT. This company is in collaborated with this Veda IIT organization. Here available courses: VLSI digital engineering, under this logic design verification and implementation. And when it comes to VLSI analog engineering, we have two domains: analog design and custom layout design. When it comes to embedded system design, we have three domains: embedded software development, software testing, application software development. Eligibility criteria: so BTech, MSc in electronics, electrical for digital and analog engineering. And final year student can also apply provided they can attend a full-time training program. 6 months of company sponsored knowledge intensive industry oriented full-time training at Veda IIT. Successful candidates in the training program will become the employee of the Soctronics. There is a MOU between Soctronics company and Veda IIT organization. If you clear this entrance test and interview, so you will be placed in this Veda IIT organization. After completion of 6 months intensive training program, they will absorb the full-time trainee in this particular company. And for more details, please visit this website. And here the last date of online application is 3rd July and application fee is 500 rupees. And this Veda IIT offers MS program also, Master in Science, in collaboration with JNTU Hyderabad and JNTU Kakinada. So here if you check this programs column, MS in VLSI, so minimum qualification BE BTech, and streams electronics, electrical, computer science and ITR instrumentation. For Telangana state, this Veda IIT MOU with JNTUH. For Andhra Pradesh, which is MOU with JNTU Kakinada. Okay, under this collaboration of Veda IIT and JNTUH, those people are providing MS program in VLSI. So MS in VLSI engineering, Hyderabad and Amravati. If you want more details, please visit this website, and they are providing program information, course syllabus, career prospects and test prep. If you want to get into this course, you need to attend entrance test and the interview. If you clear those things, you will get in program. And this is a paid program. This is about Veda IIT. Please kindly go through complete details on this website. After that you can take the decision. So for more updates, please subscribe my channel and share this information with your friends. Please like the video. Thank you.